it got history. This right here. So stay tuned so you guys can hear the story about this motorcycle and what I'm about to do to it. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. This one's gonna be a little different. So I just bought this motorcycle like about a week ago. I got it on a great price. The person who sold it to me was actually moving back to his country, which is why I got it for so cheap. I got this motorcycle for $2,000 as this stands right now. It's a 2023 model, and it basically was brand new when the guy bought it in 2023. Bought it in September or November, wrote it for January, whatever, I don't know how, because it's very cold in New York. Like I said before, it's a 2023 model MT-03. I didn't really know how many miles it had because the guy had a little accident on it. He fell and then he destroyed the speedometer. He broke it completely, so when I was buying the motorcycle, it was like, I didn't even know how many miles it had when I bought it. But the rest of the bike is in great condition. It's in immaculate condition. It has some things here and there that I want to fix, but besides that, it looks great. Right now, I'm just trying to fix the speedometer. I already bought a new one, obviously with around the same miles that this one has, around 6,000. And I'm gonna replace this bracket as well, which I also have brand new. Another crazy story about this motorcycle is the fact that it was stolen before. So the previous owner left it in the street parked. It was chained and everything, but New York thieves always find a way. So this motorcycle was stolen for about a day. That's the story the previous owner told me. It was stolen for a day. He has a GPS tracker, which he passed on to me. Now I have access to it. But he had a GPS tracker. He tracked the bike and he stole it from whoever stole it from him. So how about we go and fix that? I haven't seen any videos about replacing any of these components, just this windshield. I don't know what I'm about to do, so join me, guys, and hopefully you guys learn something with me. Let's go. So in order to take this off, it's just these two bolts right here, and then you just bring it down like that because it attaches to this. You don't want to break, you don't want to pull it up. So bring the windshield down after you take these two bolts off, and then after that, I guess it's hammer time. So what I'm seeing is that maybe I have to remove these two 8mm bolts that are right here, so I can take this bracket out and see what is underneath. So how about we get to these, and then I'll see you guys back when I take these off. Okay, so those are completely out. This bracket is so bent, it's holding the bracket. So don't lose these bolts. So I got the bolt, so just don't lose these bolts. These are very important. Also, it has a washer, so don't lose the washer. Let me try to figure this thing out real quick. So after further inspection, what I have to take off is just this. The whole bracket will come out, so let's finish doing that. So we're gonna finish and take this off. Whole bracket just comes out. So yeah, it's being held by this clip here, which you're gonna have to take out with a screwdriver later on, flathead maybe. So yeah, this is the bracket that we'll be replacing right now. Okay guys, so look at the difference between the brackets. This bracket was completely destroyed in the accident that this guy had. So now what I have to do is take all these grommets from here and put them onto the new bracket. So let's do that. Okay guys, all done here. I got the new bracket in. So apparently all you have to do to take this whole bracket out is just remove that 8mm over there and that other 8mm over there, and the whole thing just pops out. Then you'll just be able to take this plastic piece from this plastic piece out, because it had like a little rivet back there. I sort of reused it. It's reusable depending on how you take it out, but I tried my best not to mess it up. Put it back in there. So the next thing I'm going to be changing is this right here. A new bike like this does not deserve to have all those scratches there. Maybe they're sandable. No, they're not. They're just too deep inside already. But yes, this has been my journey with this bike for today, and it works perfectly fine. Let me see if I can show you guys. This was it for this video. Whenever I do get the headlight fairing delivered to me, I already ordered it, but whenever I do get that delivered to me and I have time to replace it, then I'll make another video replacing this, because I know that this one is gonna be a hard one to change. I don't know how many bolts this is gonna take, but because I can already see it has bolts back there and I don't know how to get access to those. But besides that, yep, I'll see you guys later, and I catch you on the next one. Peace.